Hello guys, welcome to another video taking trades with TTMF. Alright, this afternoon I'll be showing you how this analysis was made and how I took a sell, how I took a trade, because if you check here, you can see this particular point here. That was the buy, and I took some partials of, I took another partial of it. I took a trade, and right now I'm actually doing something with this. Okay, um, first of all, we know if you are following the market, you know we are bearish on the dollar index, right? Like we are actually bearish on the dollar index. I mean, sorry, oh, please. We are bullish on the dollar index. Therefore, we expect the euro dollar to go the other direction. All right, since we are bullish on the dollar index, so we are bearish on this particular asset, the euro dollar. So now, since we are bearish on this particular asset, and there was something actually happened with the dollar index, and it broke market structure. So once it breaks market structure, there is high probability of retracement. Right, there's high probability of retracement in the opposite direction. So this is why that was why I took this trade. All right, so that was why I took the trade. I'm going to show you something. Okay, now we can see. So let's start from here. This was the previous day low. So once we took out the previous day low, there is bearishness. Alright, there is actually bearishness. So considering the Asian range is actually important. It tells us, it more like always tells us the direction of the London or whatever. Alright, so we saw the open, the close of the Asian range. Now, during this Asian range, you need to train your eyes to see a lot of things. You right when you see consolidations like this. When I saw consolidations like this, alright, retail world we see a double bottom, and you see, and once it's double bottom, you should buy, blah blah blah. Trust me, you will get stopped out. Alright, so I saw this relative equal lows, I call it relative equal lows. Then I saw the retracement. Alright, since we are taking out I was actually expecting this relative equal lows to run out. Right, in the lower time frame, the 5 minute time frame, you see the trade, the ICT order block. There's another block around here. That was how I took the trade. You can see the execution. That was the buy, and I took profit around it. Okay, when you see relative equal lows or a relative equal highs, alright, you see these are relative equal highs. But why this is a relative, this high here is actually, yeah, it's equal. But why can't I sell? No. Why? Because you need to have a bias. If you are buying, just stick to buying. Not like if you are buying, you want to be selling. Okay, what if it's going to sell? What if no? Just choose one and be good with it. If you are changing your state of mind, then that definitely you are changing your bias. All right, you don't just stick to one bias. All right, I'm buying. I'm not trying to sell. All right, okay. Now I took the buy here, and I got off somewhere here. Okay, so if you remember the institutional order flow, I told you highs will be maintained, lows will be taken out, or highs will be taken out, lows will be maintained. Yeah, that is institutional order flow. You feel me now? So if you check the US or the latest video I dropped, you see something similar. So I expect you should know this high should be preserved. Why this low should be taken out? Other lows will be taken out, highs will be maintained. Do you understand? So at this point, there is the sell from the ICT order block. That is the sell, zero drawdown. But sometimes you don't have to capitalize on this trade off. Why? Because when you look at the way price is coming down, you can actually look for entry. It might be RTO or RTB, whatever. But this is the breakout block here. The breakout block here. This point, just pick the rejection block. Pick the rejection block. That's where you start selling from. You feel me now? Oh, you see 6.8 pips stop loss. So actually, you see this point here. That's where I want to take partials off because of these gaps here. I would like to take partials off here. Uh, look for just give the rest to run. So if I institutional order flow, I told you highs will be maintained when it comes to a bullish scenario or a bearish scenario. Highs will be maintained, lows will be taken out. You feel me now? I expected this high to be maintained, this low to be taken out. Alright, firstly we took out previous day's low. Alright, then we retraced, we took out liquidity resting below the previous day, we dragged them up. You feel me now? We dragged them up. So I dragged them from here. That was the buy, you can see. Then I took profit here. So things you need to know from this trade is from this particular um, lesson here about engineering liquidity. Engineering liquidity, the Asian range, how important it is. Alright, the previous day's low or highs with respect to your buyers. And another thing, most important thing is sticking to one single bias. Don't change your perceptions. Don't change. Just stick to one and work with it. You feel me now? Just stick to one and work with it. So whenever you have equal highs, expect it to be taken out. Whenever you have equal lows, expect it to be taken out. Alright, that will be all. I hope you find this insightful. We meet another time. Thank you.